lesson 2. Variables, functions, programming style. And we will talk about integers, strings, declaring new function, calling new function, and using onReady function. So let's start. We will continue with our example hello world with the declaration of one string variable under quotation mark. Va b will be used, and with the plus sign we will connect previous string and try to write hello world in output window. Always use quotation marks for declaring string. If you use numbers, you will get integer. And for printing integer with the print command, you need to use str command. Str convert your integer to string, and then you can get output as printed string. And now let's continue with these examples. We will add another va. This will be va c, and we can make some math operation like adding of a two number a plus b. Of course, for output we must use str command. And with this knowledge you can make little bit complicated outputs with str to write result adding of variable a and variable b with result. Always use plus to connect different part of output. If you make things easier or simple for printing, use multiple print commands. Every new print command will print in a new line. So if you want result in one line, use like you see in example. We will have output in one line, and we will use simple math operation c equal a plus b. After that, in a print output we will only use c variable for calculation. Your variable can be declared inside any of function, but I suggest you to declare it in a header of your code. For example, after extends command and before function ready or before any other functions. For styling your code, use 2 blank lines for styling functions, and if you have new functions, make 2 blank lines before them. A new function is easy to create with the name. Here we have function with 2 parameters, and after that we can call function with parameter only by the function name. Our function will do some math operation, in our situation adding, and print result in output window. So we only need to call this function with parameter in ready function. We can call function any amount of time we want, and with different parameter. We can use variables and or numbers as parameters. We can use numbers for adding. Another thing in styling is space between variables and equal sign and variable amount. Now we will make code a little bit function ready without comments. And we can see the complete code if you click in top right corner. So now let's try to print this in a few lines. Every new print command will print in a new line. So we will have calculator style printing, every number in one line. And with equal sign we will have result in another line. This can be repeated only with the function call. So you can write adding and some other numbers for adding, and this parameter will be used with adding function, and you will have some results. You can experiment with this, with changing numbers as parameters, with function call, and with the function operations. Plus is for adding. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lecture.